Okay, guys, welcome to another market breakdown where we talk and I go through for those who are new. In this space, in these videos, I go through all the signals, all the trades I have sent on the free group and VIP Forex Society channels. Okay, because the main idea here is to share some knowledge, help you guys. I'm not I'm not God, and I'm not that trader that claims to win 100% of the time because that doesn't exist. But I consider myself a consistent and profitable trader. I've been doing this for 10 years, been living out of trading for 7 years, and I think it's time to give back. Like the best way to give back is teaching people how to do it. No, give them money. If the best tool is teach the people how to make the money. Okay, so that's what I try to do here. If in any way with what I share here you can improve, learn your trading, make you a better trader, that's it. That's enough for me. Okay, so let's get to it, guys. We will go through to the three signals I sent last night in the VIP group. I think I sent one in the free channel, but I'll go through the three of them, okay? Really quick, fast, and let's get to it. Okay, so first, guys, we have GBPJPY, which I sent on the London Open. FYI, guys, I only trade the London Open and the New York Open. Another thing is that I only trade GBP, JPY, gold, US 30, and silver. I don't trade anything else. That's all I do, and that's what I recommend to the people. No focus on those four pairs. No, what I recommend to people is focus on one, two, three pairs and master them. Master them. Learn how to react. Learn how they behave. You know that because each pair is like a person. You gotta. It's like if you have a girlfriend, you wanna make her fall in love with you. Because and to do that you gotta keep an eye on her. Start learning how she react on certain situations, how she behaves, what she likes, what she doesn't like. It's the same here. It's like a person. You gotta master this. You gotta learn how these each pair behaves on certain areas and certain situations. That's what you have to do. Master one, two, three pairs max. That's my advice. I have seen a lot of traders do great trading every single pair, but that's my advice. That's what works for me. And have you heard the some people say like uh, you can do a lot of things and you can do them mediocre, or you can do one thing and do it perfectly. So basically, same. Okay. So let's get to it, guys. So first signal was GBP and what we have here, you can see the signal here. It was sent right on the London Open. So what I do is I start looking at the chart half an hour before market opens, 1 hour, half an hour. So what I do first is go to the daily chart. It's kind of messy right now because I got a lot of in lower time frame zones, supports, etc. But ignore that. Just when I go to the daily chart, what I look is the candles. Okay, so let's zoom in, and what I do is really simple. I look for the previous candle daily close. Okay, and I mark it up. Right. So what I do first is I mark up where my the top of the bottom. If the candle is bullish, I mark the top of the body, right, where it closed. So it would be this one, right? It would be this one. Okay. So we got this. It moved a little, and after that, it works as a strong resistance, a support point. Yeah, I won't go deeply into that because that's a theme that that's a topic I go through in the course. If you want to know more about the course, just click the links in the description and contact me so I can give you more information about the course where we go through A to C for any type of people. Okay, so let's get back to it. So I draw the top of the clothes of the body, right, and the top of the wig. If it's a bullish candle, if it's a bearish, the bottom of the wig. Okay, so I got this. It works as my zone. It works as a what is between those two lines is my zone, my key zone. Okay, so after that, I go through the 4 hour chart, validate it, and yeah, I got it. It doesn't perfect because the daily candles are way too big and they cover a lot of pips. So what I do in the 4 hour chart is just basically just like make it a little bit better, right? Because see, you can see here we got a strong support and resistance right here, key level, strong, really strong, right? Right here we got another one, multiple rejections on the multiple 4 hour candles. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3 weeks, weeks. So that means that it confirms that this line, that is the daily close candle, the previous daily candle, I mean, it lines up. It is not exactly there, but if you can move it a little bit, it lines up. So you just like twiddle a little bit and make it work. Okay, so after that, I confirm my zones. We got this one, yeah. We got this one, which is a 4 hour. And then I go into the 1 hour chart. Okay, so what we had yesterday, the trade that was taking was here, is this one. You will see it better in a few. Okay, so what I see here right now is, let me clean a little bit. I'm not cleaning the chart because I like to leave my positions to do some back tests later, so I'm not cleaning this, and I leave my zones, my key zones. Okay, so what I see here is even clearer, more clear picture of this yellow key level, which also lines up with this. What you see here is a really, really strong origin point, order block, which is this one. Let's delete this. Okay, this one. Yeah, that perfectly lines up with the resistance, and as you can see, it's a strong, really strong resistance. Key level, whatever you want to call it. So what I get is the 50% of that origin point, right? Okay, we got it. So what I was looking for, let's make it from another color, right? Okay. So what I was looking for was a break of this range, So to see it even better, I just go into my 15. I was looking for a break of that order block. I had breakout because right when London opens, because on that moment, at the beginning of that session, is where the big volume comes in. So that gives me the fuel to take off, whatever, if it's to the upside or to the downside. Okay, so we got the 50% of the origin point, right? So I was looking for that, Look for inner structure, previous inner structure on the lower time frames, and wait for a breakup. Right? The inner structure was this one. This is the top of the inner structure where you see this red area, and this was the bottom of it. Ignore this middle line. That was possible because it's still a key level, but the top of the structure was this one, right? All the structure, top of it, bottom of it. So what I was doing is looking buys if price could break right above this, the inner structure, and confirm it with a break of the 50% of the origin point, which is this orange line, right? Or looking for sales if price could break below this, right? I could take sales here, but I like to confirm. I was looking for that ideal sell that was here, right? Was possible, didn't happen because you could get a close below this, sell it, etc. But okay, so it broke, right? London open, and boom, broke it with a lot of volume liquidity came in, and boom. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. That's where I took it. 5-minute chart. I'm gonna tell you what made me took that trade. What made me took that trade? Because you see the orange line. That's the 50% origin point, right? It broke it with a big. Let me move this with a big bullish candle and close above it. That was a sign that a strong bullish momentum was coming in. The buyers had control. So what I did is wait for a retest, wait for a week, see that, check that it wasn't a fake out, and boom. Stayed above it, took it, and boom. What you can see here, guys, was a beautiful trade. We got it here. We got it right here. Let me show you. We got it right here. Entry 161.11, which was here, right? Was right here. Broke it. We took it here right after the retest. Boom. Straight to the TP1. You can see we hit TP1. We hit TP1. Boom, boom, boom. We will go to the gold channel in a bit. TP2. TP2, guys, which was the 161.60. I mean, 161. Oh yeah. I remember. I took take profit too earlier because I didn't see this resistance you here. So I told them to close earlier. Okay. So I didn't close at the top of it. We closed like 161, 37. Was like this. Yeah. It gave us a risk reward ratio trade of 1 to 63. So if you invested 1%, you went out with like 2.5%. Amazing trade, beautiful, and beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, so following we got the gold trade. This was the previous analysis I sent. So keep an eye on gold, and we got it here. Okay. Sadly, I could take it. A lot of the users couldn't take it because price moved way too fast. Move way too fast. So let's take a look at it. It was right here, guys. It was a beautiful trade too. It was too fast. Okay, so what I did is exactly the same. I defined the close of the previous daily candle to define my critical point, which was this green line, right? That was lining up with the structure that was formed in previous session, the pre-session structure, which was this. So what I do is wait all the day during Asia, during Australia session to form a structure, and after that, right when London opens, I wait to see where price is breaking out, if above or below. That's it. So we got the top of it that lines up with a key level, top of it, which lines up with origin point, and the bottom of the structure pre-session, and that's it. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Breakout retest. It was a strong key level. So what I thought is that, okay, this failed to break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It failed to break. So once it break it, once price breaks at the strong key level, that is also at the top of the structure, it's gonna blow up, and it did. It did. Actually, we took it here. It almost hit our stop loss. Yeah. So, boom, broke it. Same thing. Bullish candle. Go to the 5 minute chart. Let's take a look, guys. 5 minute chart. Broke it. Bullish candles. A lot of bullish candles. All those candles creating closing above the previous one. 1, 2, 3, and above the key level. So close it. Wait for that retest. We took it earlier. That's why it went down. Almost hit the stop loss for like 2-3 pips. But boom. After this, we took it here. But after I saw this, you see this big wick, this candle, that's a pin bar. That confirmed me that it was going to blow up. Then this candle, I said like fuck it. I went in with 2% because it was beautiful, beautiful signs of bullish momentum. And boom, straight to the TP2. We had 1938 take profit, which was here 101. Then we had 1940, which we didn't take all that move. We took profit here. Yeah. It wasn't 1-2 risk reward ratio, but it was 1-7. So it's still beautiful. It's still beautiful. We took it here, close it, and boom, then it dropped. But we took all that move. Okay. And that's for gold. Yeah, like I said, most of the members couldn't take it because price just skyrocketed. I said it and literally like 5-10 seconds later it just skyrocketed. Okay, so then we have the then we got moved too far. We retest to let it go. Okay, or let it go. Okay. Then we have GPJPY once again, which was on the this was beautiful. This was beautiful trade. You see, winning straight, thing 1, 2. Okay. What we have here, this wasn't on London. This was on the New York Open. I used to trade New York or London Open or both of them, or the two of them. I mean. Okay, so same thing, exactly same thing. I after the London session momentum ended, price just start accumulation. Accumulation is start forming a structure which is this one. You see here. Then I wait all those 2-3 hours and wait what the structure price is gonna make. So that's what I did. I already had my key levels formed. We had the previous daily candle close, which is the critical point with this. It rejected this, formed the structure above this. You can see about the critical point. You can see the structure was forming there, giving me a lot of signs of bullish momentum. The buyers still have control. And right like 30 minutes after New York opened, this was my area. This was my exhaust point, which is this line. That's another concept that I go through in my course, and I explain a little bit better on the webinars I do on the VIP channels every week. Okay, so if you want more information, you know what to do. Links in the description. Okay, so we have a break after 30 minutes of the New York Open, and boom, same thing. I was looking at the 5-minute chart at the moment, and what made me took the trade was this beautiful engulfing, guys. This engulfing candle close above my exhaust point, which is this white line, broke above it, broke above the top of the structure, which is this one, on an engulfing candle. I mean, that's the best sign to go along. So took a buy immediately. That I was waiting for the 5-minute candle to close, and once it closed, I immediately send the signal. As you can see here, we got GPJPY 161.53, which was here. Yeah, it came down a little bit, and then boom, a straight TP1. As you can see, TP1 hit, boom, which was 166, which was here. That was 101 trade. Then it came retested I always say my members to wait until we hit the take profit 2 to move stops to break even. So it retested our entry, and boom, straight to TP2, boom, which was 61.88, 85, which was this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 33, reach reward reach. Beautiful trade. We took it. We could hold to it, but we had a strong resistance here, which I didn't like it, and we closed it a little bit earlier. But still, beautiful trade. We took more than 1, 2 risk reward, and we nailed it. 3 winning trades, 3 winning signals. We made over 5% on those signals, and beautiful, beautiful. Knowing that we're gonna have that yesterday we lost 2 trades, right? I sent one in the free signals and 2 on the VIP. We lost them 2. I called it a day, stop it, analyze it, did back test, see what I did wrong, and improve. So, but we make it all down, lose back, and even more with these 3 winning trades. So, okay, guys. So that was it. Hope you guys learn something. Hope you guys can take something out of this and improve your trading. And see you around, guys. Share. Give me a comment what you think. You like these trades. And if you want more information, like I say, links in the description. Contact me. My Telegram. I give you all the information about the premium group or the courses. Okay, so see you guys. Have a good night. God bless you all.